Today we're going to look at a Magic Panel 602 with some pan issues. The head on this fixture won't pan past a certain point. When I opened it up, I could see metal shavings lying inside the yoke. I've seen this problem on some other Ayrton fixtures, and I was able to trace this back to the pan gear. What happens over time is the screws holding the pan bearing to the yoke actually back themselves out and jam themselves under the pan gear and don't allow it to move. Let's tear this one down and see if that's our issue. With the covers off, I'll disconnect the pan motor buses from the pan tilt board. I'm going to release the tension on the pan motor springs and remove the entire pan motor. Next, I'll remove the pan sensor and the yoke support rods. This allows me to undo the 3 screws holding in the harness. The pan gear is held in place with 6 screws. You'll need a 3mm Allen key to remove them. With the screws removed, I can lift the pan gear and expose the mounting screws. With the culprit exposed, we can tighten it back down. You may want to consider adding Loctite to these screws to prevent this from happening again. After tightening down the mounting screws, you can reinstall the pan gear. Be sure that you put the magnet in the correct orientation, otherwise your fixture's home position will not be correct. This is very frustrating to find out after the fact. Once the pan gear is in place, retrace your steps and reinstall your motor. Once the motor is in place, you can reset the tension springs. Reinstall your sensors, then repin your bus harnesses. Once the whole fixture is back together, you can power it up and check your work. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments. Smash that like button and be sure to subscribe.